Hey there, welcome to the fun part of building Shopify app. So as promised in the beginning of this video series, I'm going to build a product recommendation app. In the past 20 videos, I explained the basic of Shopify API and how every other feature on Shopify app works. Now is the time to build a practical app. So I'm going to use a lot of AI because in today's age, if you don't use AI, then you are behind everything. So we are going to move fast and we are going to build our app using AI. If you're not using any AI tool, you can still follow this video series and you can find the code on GitHub, but it is good that you have to use AI. It doesn't matter which one you use. I'm going to use Claude Code, but if you use Codex or any other one that is coming in the like following months or year, then you can feel free to use those. I have a free editor. I'm not paying for the WinSurf that I use, but I just use Claude Code because this is what I pay for and I use it for my daily basis. It has a lot of limits, but you have to know that okay, you should not hit the limit, the weekly or the daily limit. Let's start building our app. The first thing that you have to do is you have to plan like how do you are going to create the app. A lot of people think building app or creating or wipe coding an app is as simple as saying I want to create this app and you just ask AI to create this app for you. This is not how it works. Over the past like few years that I have been coding with AI from Copilot to whatever we have now and moving forward, AIs do not have understanding of what is going on in your mind. Okay, this is very important for you to understand. You have to tell AI what to do because they cannot read your mind. Okay, so if you are imagining something, you have to bring that to the world and then AI will understand that. That's important. If you want to build a feature, say I want to build this feature. Do not assume that AI will do it for you. You can use AI to create imagination, like you can create this imagination and then you can read through this. If there is a missing part, you can edit those, you can modify that and to create the plan. But you cannot ask AI to create the app, use your own imagination, and it cannot do that. Okay, now this is the part that you have to master when building app with AI. I'm going to show you how it works. This is the app that we have been using. I am going to create a new one, so we are going to use the new app that we have. So I will go cd one directory in the Shopify app directory. I will add Shopify app in it, and for this one we are going to use React Router again. That is going to be JavaScript for everything, and let's go with the demo partner account that I have. I want to create a new app. For this app name, I am going to call it easy product recommendations, something like this. You can name it anything or shorter, but this is the best name that I came up with, easy product recommendation. Now it is going to create the app, going to install all the packages, and the app will be ready. The first thing that you need to do is write a clean prompt for the AI agent to create a plan for you. If you are using Claude Code, then you should create a claude.md file, which is in the root directory of your project. It is going to use that every time you start like a new task. So I normally put my project in different steps. So first I work on the home page, I work on the pricing page, I work on the seating page. Each of them will be as one step. So once one step is completed, I go to the next step, because if you put everything in one prompt, then it is not possible, because this is AI and it's trying to do the things, but it is not right. So you have to put them on a step by step in small pieces, then it can create that for you. Okay, the app is created and I am going to open this in my code editor. Now to do that, by the way, this is how it works. Before I open it, let me just open another code editor in here, and I am going to bring this project that I have created. So in my desktop, Shopify app, easy recommendation, I just move it over here. This is going to be initial commit, so I just do that because you will have access to the code and you can check what this code is doing. You have access to the prompts and everything. I will set this as a public directory, and that's it. Now the first thing that you need to do is, okay, just increase the font size so it is visible. Let's create a file in here. This is the first thing I normally like do for every project if I wipe code this, but if you don't, that's going to be different. So it is going to create the Claude.md file in here. Again, every time you click on this Claude extension, by the way, I'm using the extension version, but you can use the CLI, which is almost the same, but this is nicer. When I come here, I put my prompt and I always go in the plan mode. The plan mode is giving you a way better result, because when you go in the plan mode, it is not directly executing the code. If it has a question, it will ask you. Okay, it is planning and thinking. This is the model, the mode I always go to, and I use the default model. Now in here, I will write the prompt. To save some time, I already wrote the plan in this file. I'm going to copy this and I will going to paste this. This is all the killer plan. By the way, this is not AI generated. I sat down and let's just create it like this plan. Okay, create the pricing. I need 3 pricing in the homepage. What should it show in the recommendation page, or what it should show, and what else do I need? If I miss something, I will add this again, and I will always update my Claude MD file. The first thing I say in here is create my MD file. Okay, I just say update, because this I already have created this, so it should update this. And at the bottom of this, I just need 3 pages for this app: homepage, recommendation page, pricing page. This is it. The more you explain, the better it is going to do the job. Again, on the plan mode, and then I'm going to run this. So it is going to scan my Claude.md, which is completely empty, and it's going to create a beautiful plan for me. It will take a while, like a minute or 2 to do that, but this is what I normally do. I go through this plan, and if something is not right, I modify it. Now again, this is the process that will take some time, but once you create the right plan, it is really easy to create the app. You just go to the again, you just create another window and you say, okay, let's do step 3, step 4, step 5, and then everything will be ready. By the way, it requires a lot of testing, but to create a good plan, you have to write a good prompt. If it has a question, it will always ask me. But that is all the details. This one is also available directly in the source code that I provide. You can check it out, but it will take some time, which we can check this in the next video. I hope this video has been informative. If you have any other question, you can always reach out. But in the next video, you will see the result of the Claude.md and what it has created and how we can modify it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.